This is Bloxd's strongest team, consisting of 5 of the most powerful players on this hardcore SMP. But how did I get here? Well, a faction known as the Leadership unfairly rules our server, and us 5 are the only ones willing to fight back. And so my friend Nico and I had to now find DD Plays and Bloxd, 2 key members of our team. But it's not going to be that simple. I mean, we are like the most wanted players on the server, so like, I figured we would get to Central City to get a code that changes our name for 2 hours so we could hide our identities and then try finding them. As I was traveling, I found a book. Is this what I think it is? Dude. Anonymous anomaly again, bro. Back for one last message?
Well, Alfie, looks like my identity has been revealed to the server by DD. Yes, this is true. I am Polycube and I own the leadership. I wanted to warn you one last time. Whatever you're trying won't work.
I don't care. So, Nico, we're here. I think we should be stealthy because, well, we're pretty much wanted criminals, so. Wait, pot up. Well, actually, let's go a little further then we can pot up like right outside this place, because this is capital city, bro. They have like insane guards. Alright, let's go. Follow my axe. Go invis, go invis, bro. We're in like the area of the king. Oh my god, we're in the area of the king and you're not going invis. Go invis. I'm pretty sure this is the shop where you're supposed to change your name. Wait. Come here. Listen, you click the one on the right, okay? I'll take the one on the left. You take the one on the right. Okay, good. Let's go. Yo, Dark Knight. Yo, Batman, we gotta go, bro. I don't know, bro. I feel like something's wrong. Did you hear that? Yo, Nico. I think bro's AFK. I'm pretty sure I heard like rockets. Oh shoot. It was Polycube, the leader of the leadership and the deadliest player on the SMP. Why is he shooting firework rockets in the air, bro? Come on, Nico. So I think Polly's about to give a speech. I don't think he knows it. We're Archie, Messi, and Nico. I think we'll just go. I think he needs people to listen to his speech. Let's go. Oh, okay.
Citizens of the SMP, Archie, Messi and Nico were spotted in Capital City. They are the most wanted criminals on the server. We need everyone to stay safe and stay in their houses. We will get everything sorted out. We have a team searching for them, and we think that they went to the name changer to change their names. Look out for any odd names, and we will find them. This coming from your king, Polycube. Everyone stay safe and stay calm.
Let's go. Nico, Nico, we gotta run. It seemed like Polly knew that Nico and I were Dark Knight and Aquatic, but we just couldn't prove it, as he said that he knew that we had come in the city, but he didn't know who we were, and he would be sending search parties to try and kill us within the next few hours. Nico, we might be fried, bro. Can't even lie. Alright, well, I don't even know what to do. Let's go find Dee Dee. Let's ask someone where, like, Dee Dee is. Alright. And after changing our names, we were on the run searching for Dee Dee Plays and Bloxd Nerd. Wait, did you see name tags? It's Polycube. Oh my god. I think he's onto us, bro. Look at the melons. Oh, she's choiceful. Dude. And it's Mobile Nerd. It's the dude who ran that one time when we fought. Follow my axe. I think he's AFK. Oh, never mind.
Wait, are you awfully messy?
I promise you that I promise you I'm not Arfie, okay? I'm literally just Aquatic, and he's Dark Knight. He's not Nico. Alright, so what are y'all gonna do to us now, huh? Like, you don't even have like solid proof that we're Arfie, Messi, and Nico.
You both sound very similar. I'm just going to kill you no matter what.
Okay, bro. So, you're just gonna kill us no matter what here? Is that how much of a dictator you are? No, bro? Fine. I'll kill both of you. And Mobile Nerd, you ran from our fight last time, bro? It's not gonna happen. You're gonna die. No more Mobile Nerd is trying to spike boot us. Oh, your friend Mobile Nerd's back. Bro, you're actually a net spike spammer. It's the great. Popped him. Dang, did I? Oh my god, I missed. Okay, so I'm about to lose all of my totems. Bob. Oh, okay, they're just running. And just like that, Polycube and Mobile Nerd had retreated. And so, Nico and I headed out to try to find someone who knows where Dee Dee Plays and Bloxd are. It's looking kinda cooked, bro. You know, what do you want to do after this? Like, after the whole leadership thing ends? I just want the server to be at peace, bro. I'm tired of getting in the middle of, like, every single thing that happens. Oh, I see something. Oh, it's like a house. Yo, go. Oh, I see people. Yo, I hope they know where Dee Dee and Nerd are. Oh, it's Roshi! What's up? Oh, bro? Guys, what's up? Do you guys know where, like, Dee Dee and Nerd are? Also, what's up, Roshi? It's been a while, bro.
Oh yeah, Dee Dee and Nerd passed by. They're like probably 1,000 blocks ahead, like forward.
Alright. Alright. By the way, who built this house? Actually kinda cool. But it's in the middle of a desert, bro.
Moot built it.
Oh, alright. I'm pretty sure you should have put it around there, but like, y'all do you. I mean, mushrooms on sand. Never seen that before. Alright, anyways. Thanks for your information, guys. Take some melons. Yeah, alright, bye. Bro already went invis. And so, Nico and I headed out to find Dee Dee and Nerd. King Roshi and Moot PvP had told us where he was. And so once we arrived at his location, we would finally have a team and destroy the leadership once and for all. Alright, Nico. Oh, bro, these coordinates are so far away in like the middle of nowhere, bro. Some ruin. Anyway, let's keep going. Yo, Nico, stop trying to wrestle zombies. Holy. How are you getting, like, literally just get half by 4 zombies?
Oh, because you're doing more damage to me than you're doing to them.
I'm pretty sure there's all useless stuff in there. Anyway, this place is pretty far away. After a while, our names were normal again, and the 2 hours that we had to keep our names fake were up. And it was just in time, as Dee Dee and Bloxd were on the other side of that mountain. Yo, guys. Cornball. Yo! Why is it Bloxd like without armor? Yo, guys. The leader. I say we should travel to Central City because that's where like everyone is. Like his whole army is just in Central City. Alright. We'll meet up with Victor. To the final battle! Yeah! Dang, this is like the largest mountain I've ever been on, bro. Finally reached, and we found Victor X, who was low-key tweaking. Anyways, let's go, guys. Wait, so we have to, like, stop outside of this place. You cornball, come back! Alright. So Polly's gonna be in there. What are we gonna do, guys? Let's make a life-changing speech. This is the final army, everyone. We have to do good and stuff. Yay! So Nerd went to like reloot or something. Our plan is basically we're gonna go in and fight the final army. Cause well, it's not gonna be that easy. We have only 5 people versus who knows how many, bro. Yo, bro, are you ready?
Yeah, bro, but like, what's the plan?
Win.